much of the region this afternoon and evening. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Johnson County in north-central Texas, Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Edgecliff Village to Joshua, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Halton City, Keller, Hurst, Burleson, Cleburne, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, Crowley, Forest Hill, and Trophy Club. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 26 and 59. Interstate 20 between mile markers 431 and 453. Interstate 30 between mile markers 9 and 31. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is 1:43 p.m.